Welcome to WebStar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to stop redirects in Chrome, how to stop pop-ups in Chrome, and how to stop page redirects in Chrome web browser. To stop redirects in Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and select pop-ups and redirects. From here, choose the option Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Choose this option. And now Google Chrome will block unwanted redirects on all sites. There are also extensions for this. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for this redirect blocker. You will find many extensions. This is also one of them. You can install such extensions to block redirects as well. So this is how you can block redirects in Chrome web browser. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.